Welcome, Open University students. This video is designed to help you become a more effective and responsible learner at UT. You'll discover how to participate actively, manage your study time wisely, and maintain integrity while using digital tools and AI in your learning journey. Your online discussion forum is the heart of your learning process. Join as early as possible. Don't wait for others to post first. By joining early, you give yourself time to think deeply, receive tutor feedback, and make improvements before the deadline. Active participation shows commitment and helps you learn from your peers' perspectives. Tutorial tasks are a vital part of your continuous assessment. Submitting them early gives you the chance to correct errors and receive suggestions from your tutor. Remember, early work means better quality and lower stress, while last-minute work often leads to unnecessary mistakes. Academic honesty begins with originality. Avoid copy-pasting from websites. Instead, read carefully, understand the idea, and paraphrase using your own words. After explaining, share your personal insight or reflection to make your answer authentic. Your voice matters. It's how tutors know you truly understand the material. When using information from books, journals, or websites, always cite your sources. For online content, include the full web link. For academic sources, use APA 7 style. For example, Smith, J. 2021. Online learning strategies. Cambridge University Press. Citations reflect your honesty and respect for intellectual property. AI tools can be helpful for generating ideas and improving your writing, but use them responsibly. Your task is to think critically and write your own answers. At UT, AI-generated content must not exceed 25%. If more than 30% of your answer is written by AI, your score may drop to 65 or lower. Let AI be your assistant, not your author. If you have questions, technical issues, or need clarification, don't hesitate to contact your tutor. You can reach them through the e-learning chat feature or by email. Remember, your tutors are here to support your progress, not just grade your work. Studying at UT means learning independently, but you're never alone. Your tutors, classmates, and digital tools are all part of your support system. So study smart, stay honest, and keep learning with passion and integrity.